These are our AC vent replacements we ordered from RecPro. These are the 5-inch side vents. Also, they do have the optional charcoal filters you see here. These are the two that I have remaining after I installed the other three as needed. They were packaged well. On the right hand side you can see the original vent that I had and the vent cover, as well as on the left hand side is the newly installed one. And they're very close match. Actually the one on the right is a little faded for age. Here you can see both of them installed. The one on the left is the new one, again almost identical to the one that I originally had in place, and the one on the right with a little bit of fading as mentioned due to age. When it's time to clean the filters, I just pop out the centerpiece with the fins and pull the charcoal filter out, vacuum it, and put it back in place. And that's worked and served well for me. So far, I'm very happy with the performance, and I do hope you enjoyed this review.